Today's project is this apparently nice Retina 3C, small c. As you'll probably notice, the top cover is unusually shiny. This means it's a replacement top. It's been replaced at some stage after the camera was damaged, and this is a spare part. And you can tell by the serial number, which is not engraved anywhere near as neatly as an original part would be. Although the original serial number has been, well, probably the original serial number has been transcribed. So we've got a Retina 3C with a replacement top. Looks quite tidy, leatherette's very good, paint very good. Apparently quite a nice looking camera. When this came to me, its number one problem was that it wouldn't, the shutter wouldn't fire. I've already been in and had a look, but I thought I'd share with you one of the surprises that I got with this camera, and it's this. A Retina 3C camera is supposed to have a Schneider Xenon or a Rodenstock Halogon lens. But this one, as you can see, has a Retina Xenar lens, f2.8 lens. And this lens and shutter doesn't belong to this camera at all. The lens and shutter have come from a Retina 1B camera. So it's a Franken camera. It can probably be made into a good working camera. There's nothing wrong with the Xenar lens. It's a 4-glass lens, much like a Tessar. They'll take good photos, but the 3C was never made with one of those. So I've got to strip the camera down and service it in the normal fashion. I know that the cocking rack in this is damaged, and I've been able to work on it enough so that it actually cocks, but it wouldn't be reliable. So I know the shutter actually works now. So what problems do we face with this? Well, using a Xenar lens, your number one problem with that is that the focus scale is different on a Xenar lens. If it's aligned at infinity correctly, as you rack the focus out to a close focus distance, it'll be incorrect. Also, of course, we've got the supplementary focus scale ring on the bottom of here, which is completely irrelevant because you cannot fit a wide angle or telephoto lens to this camera, not with this lens in place. So I'll show you in more detail what I mean about those focus rings. Now here I have a Retina 3C focus ring and a Retina 1B focus ring, and if I align them side by side, our infinity marks are in exactly the same position. But as you roll round to the other end of the focus scale, you'll see that the 1 metre mark for a Retina 1B is somewhere between 0.8 and 0.9 metres on the Retina 3C. What this means in practice is that the two lenses are probably slightly different in focal length, even though they're both nominally 50mm. So what it means is if we are using the 3C focus scale as a guide to setting the focus distance when using this lens, it would be out at the close focus distance. So my options here are fairly simple and they're fairly limited. What I will do is I will replace the 3C focus ring, scale complete, with a ring from a Retina 1B, which means that then the scale will read correctly for the lens. Both of these, of course, are on the same helical. That gets out of my problem here with the focus scale. My next problem is the rangefinder. Now the rangefinder is obviously set to cover the motion or the range of action of the 3C scale ring here, and we'll be changing it slightly to suit the Retina 1B here. So it means I'm going to have to do some adjusting with the rangefinder so that it closely follows this focus scale rather than this focus scale. I expect I can achieve that, and I expect I can make a good working camera out of this, but it will never be a proper 3C, and I'm sure it's got some tales to tell. I've got no idea how it came to have this shutter and lens attached to it. The options are various. Somebody might have had a good 3C, this nice pretty 3C with a non-functioning shutter, and had a Retina 1B with a functioning shutter and decided they would swap it straight on. I haven't checked it to see if the focus is correctly aligned. It may or may not be. That's one of the things I'll discover as I work my way through it. But I thought you'd be interested in seeing a genuine Kodak Retina Franken camera, because you don't see many of them. Thanks for watching.